Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a GMC Envoy. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Then safely lift and support the vehicle on jack stands so you can access the starter at the bell housing. Remove heat shields if needed and clear wiring harnesses away from the starter. Unbolt the starter while supporting it, compare the old unit to the new one, and follow proper torque and reconnection steps. Gather tools and parts before you begin to avoid delays and frustration. You will need a 10 mm, 13 mm, and 15 mm socket, ratchet, extensions, and quality jack stands with wheel chocks. Have the replacement starter on hand and consider a battery terminal puller for stubborn clamps. Wear gloves and safety glasses and work on a cooled engine. Label connectors and take photos to speed reassembly and reduce errors. Locate the starter near the transmission bell housing and disconnect the solenoid wiring first, then the main power cable. Remove mounting bolts while supporting the starter to prevent dropping it. Inspect the flywheel teeth and starter gear for damage and clean any corroded terminals. Fit the new starter, verify correct connector fit, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect wiring in the original order. Reconnect the battery and perform a crank test to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.